This no-bake chocolate cheese cookie cake is so easy to make, you'll wonder why you haven't tried it before. You don't have to worry about leftovers. Your family will beg you for another piece before you put it away for another day.
Oh, yeah.
Homestead kitchen living. Let's make cooking fun again. Did I say simple? Not only is it simple, it's fun. You get to play with your food processor. Here I'm using it to grind up some Oreo chocolate cookies. Now that the cookies are ground, add some butter, mix it together, and this will make the crust for the bottom of the cake. Time to whip up some whipping cream. Here I'm whipping up 2 cups of heavy cream. Now phase 2 for the cake filling. Add 2 8-ounce bars of softened cream cheese, half a cup of sugar, and blend that together. We're going to melt some dark chocolate in the microwave and add that to the cream cheese mixture. Once the chocolate is mixed into the cream cheese, we're going to add the whipped cream and blend that together. Now add some broken cookies to the batter. Pour the batter into the cake mold. Smooth it out nicely. Now decorate the top of your cake with some more cookie crumbs. You can make more in your food grinder if you need to. After 4 hours in the refrigerator, unfold your cake. Cut yourself a slice. And enjoy.